Welcome to HAD6 channel. In this video, we will look into cooperation. 6 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Liaison, which means communication or cooperation which facilitates a close working relationship between people or organizations. Liaison. For example, the head porter works in close liaison with the reception office. Number 2. Unity, which means the state of forming a complete and harmonious whole, especially in an artistic context. Unity. For example, their leaders called for unity between opposing factions. Number 3. Compromise, which means an agreement or settlement of a dispute that is reached by each side making concessions. Compromise. For example, eventually they reached a compromise. Number 4. Partnership, which means an association of 2 or more people as partners. Partnership. For example, the close partnership between Britain and the US. Number 5. Association, which means a connection or cooperative link between people or organizations. Association. For example, they study the association between man and environment. If you have better examples in mind, please share them in the comment section below. Also, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.